Hello mathematicians, hope in this video you can say I can calculate the area of a circle given its radius or diameter. We're going to look at an example where we solve for the area of a circle given its radius, and then another example where we solve for the area of a circle given its diameter. So we're given this circle right here, and it's got a radius of 4 feet, and we're looking for the area. And let's remember area equals pi times radius squared, or pi r squared. R being the radius. So in this problem, we see that it has a radius of 4 feet. So it would be the area would be equal to pi times, well, the radius is 4, so times 4 squared. And 4 squared just means 4 times 4. So 4 times 4, that's 16. So we get pi times 16. So we could, if we wanted to leave this in terms of pi, it would be 16 pi if we were to solve for this in terms of pi. So if we were looking for the answer just in terms of pi, we just leave it right here as 16 pi. However, let's go ahead and let's just round our answer off. So we know pi is equal to roughly 3.14 as what we are going to use in 7th grade math. 3.14 times 16, and that is 3.14 times 16, and that is going to give us 50.24. And let's not forget our units. So we're talking feet. And because we squared it, we squared the radius, so it would be 50.24 feet squared would be our final answer. And we square the units because we squared both the 4 and the feet, so it's 50.24 feet squared. Now let's look at one more example where we are given the diameter. So we're given this circle right here, and it's got a diameter of 12 meters. And let's remember our area formula is pi r squared. However, we are not given the radius, but we can find out what the radius is. And let's just recall that when we're converting diameter to radius, is that diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, or 2r. So in this situation, we are given that the diameter is 12 meters. So this would be 12 equals 2r. And to solve for r, we just divide by 2 and divide by 2, and we get r, or the radius, is equal to 6. So the radius is equal to 6 meters. So now we can plug 6 meters into this formula. So we get the area is equal to pi times radius squared. So pi times 6 squared. So that would give us pi times 36, because 6 squared is just 6 times 6, which is 36. So this would be pi times 36. And if we wanted to leave this in terms of pi, we'd get 36 pi, and we could just leave it as that. This would be in terms of pi. However, if we were to want to get a rounded answer using 3.14 for the value of pi, and we'd get pi time. However, we can substitute 3.14 in for pi, in which case we'd get 3.14 times 36, and 3.14 times 36 is going to give us 113.04, and we're talking meters, so we go meters are just m squared. Again, we square the units, so the area would be equal to 113.04 meters squared. So that's it for a video. Hope after watching this and getting in a little bit of practice, you can say I can solve for the area of a circle given its diameter or radius.